To find EveryDollar zero-based budgeting, start by visiting the official website of EveryDollar, which is a free budgeting tool developed by the Dave Ramsey team. Once you are on the website, click on the Get Started button to begin the process of creating your zero-based budget. EveryDollar is based on the principle of zero-based budgeting, which means that every single dollar you earn is assigned a job, whether it is for savings, expenses, or debt repayment. The first step in creating your budget is to enter your income, which includes all the money you earn from your job, investments, or any other source. Next, you will need to categorize your expenses into different groups such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. EveryDollar provides pre-built categories to make it easier for you to get started. You can also customize these categories to fit your specific needs. After you have entered your income and categorized your expenses, you can start assigning jobs to every dollar you earn. This means allocating your income to each expense category based on your priorities and financial goals. A key concept of zero-based budgeting is that every dollar must be accounted for. This means that if you have any remaining balance after allocating your income to all your expenses, you should assign it to a specific category such as savings or debt repayment. Practical examples of zero-based budgeting include allocating 50% of your income towards necessary expenses such as rent and utilities, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Best practices for using EveryDollar include regularly reviewing and updating your budget to ensure you are on track to meet your financial goals. You should also prioritize needs over wants and make sure to save for emergencies and long-term goals. By following these steps and using EveryDollar zero-based budgeting, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial peace of mind. Remember to always prioritize your expenses and make sure every dollar is working for you.